What is the law of attraction? Explained by the iceberg. Hi. My name is Iceberg. Pretend for a moment I am a human being. We all have a dialogue going on in our heads all the time. On the surface, we ask questions like, "Hi, how are you? Did you have a good weekend? I'm doing fine, how about you?" Oftentimes, the underlying dialogue is saying things that we normally would not say, for fear of being ridiculed, judged, talked down to, or demeaned in some way. So, we keep those bottled up. In my case, I put them under water where you others cannot see them. They are there, but I keep them hidden. Some of those thoughts might include, "I can't do that, I'm not good enough, what if it doesn't work out? I don't deserve to be happy, or I'm not valuable." What if there was a way to change all those negative thoughts? What if we could keep the above the water thoughts the same, and change those that we are hiding underneath the surface? We might change them to, "I can do that, I am good enough, this is going to work out well, I deserve to be happy, and I am valuable." Understanding the law of attraction helps us to modify the way we see ourselves. Then, once we see ourselves differently, the world begins to see us differently. It is science. It is fact. It is an unchangeable law of the universe.